It's with great relief that I can confirm that Esther was located by members of the Toronto Police Service earlier this afternoon. As the initial reports informed you, she appears to be in good physical health. That said, as you'd expect, she has been taken to hospital to be examined both physically as well as for medical staff to assess what emotional toll the situation may have caused her. I can advise that she was located in a home here in Toronto. Our investigation will now turn to whether or not there is any evidence of criminality associated to her prolonged disappearance. It is for this reason, along with Esther's and her family's obvious right to privacy, that I will not be able to comment further at this time. I want to take this opportunity to thank the investigative team made up of members of the Homicide and Missing Persons Unit and 32 Division for their relentless efforts that brought us to this day. They had a singular goal from minute one of this investigation: to locate Esther safely and as quickly as possible. I want to also thank our search teams and the search managers for emergency management and public order for their efforts throughout the numerous ground searches that were conducted. And last, but truly not least, I must offer a special thank you to the community. The manner in which this community came together to support this investigation and Esther's family was nothing short of remarkable. This was more than a police search and a police investigation. It was truly a combined police and community effort, including the numerous tips we received daily. And for that, we're extremely grateful. I'll now take your questions.
Can you tell us what led you to that home in Rexdale? We understand she was with an adult male who owned a house in Rexdale.
So not commenting on that now, as you'll appreciate. And as I said, the next phase of the investigation was there any criminality related to her prolonged disappearance?
Has anyone been charged? Anyone arrested at this point?
Not at this point.
Who was she found with? Who was at the home?
We're not commenting on that. I can tell you investigators are actively looking into that. Who resided in the home? What are they all about? That is happening as we speak right now.
How did she get to the home?
We're not commenting on that at this time either.
What led you to the home? Was it somebody from within the house that called, or neighbors, or how did you locate her in this house?
Yeah, what I'll say to that is we have been painstakingly conducting video canvasses. From video canvases, we move into search mode. Additional video located, we move into further search mode. It's a painstaking, long process, as you can appreciate, but that certainly contributed to us to getting to where we are today.
Was she found in the same clothes when she went and disappeared?
I actually don't have that information right now.
How many people were inside the house when police arrived?
I don't know.
What time was she located?
She was located around 1 p.m.
Has she been reunited with her family?
I don't know. Right now she's at hospital, so I don't have that information.
Did she know the people in the house before this?
I don't know.
Did she know that people were looking for her?
I don't know. Don't have that information. Like I said, folks, this is really the earliest stages of this. The investigation, the next phase of the investigation is just starting.
Can you give us an age range for the adult male?
No, I
20s,
can't.
30s?
No, I can't comment on that.
Is there any indication of politics or anti-Semitism behind this?
I have no information to suggest that.
You say that she was in good condition, and that she seemed to be...
Yeah, she appears in good physical condition. But that said, as you can all appreciate, we need to confirm that through medical professionals.
How are her parents doing? I'm assuming you've spoken to them. How are they doing?
I think they're relieved. We're all extremely relieved. No one's more relieved than her parents, but I haven't had any direct contact with them today.
How large of a search was this? Can you just tell us how many people were involved, the manpower, the number of hours you were out there looking?
Yeah, so as I said, from minute one, this was handled at what we call a level 1 search. And what that means is we bring resources in from right across the service. As you will have heard in the earliest stages, when we did the search of Earl Vales Park, we had mounted unit out, we had marine unit out, we had drones out. We really utilized every resource we had to try to find Esther as quickly as we possibly could.
Is it possible that she was lured from her home and was social media involved at all?
No, I don't have that information.
What are your comments on people pulling down posters that announced she was missing and asked people to call police? What do you make of?
Yeah, I mean, I can't think of anything more unethical than that type of behavior. It's absolutely ridiculous. Anyone that would make any effort to disrupt our attempts to locate Esther, nobody can ever justify that. Anything else, folks? I don't have a number, but I can tell you it was many, many tips every single day. Our investigators did everything they could to track down every single one of those tips.
Was it a tip that led to finding her at this house in Rexdale?
I can't divulge that at this time.
So how is everyone doing? How are you feeling right now?
Immense relief, just an extraordinary sigh of relief. We can breathe again.
How did you find out the news?
Someone told me.
And what was your immediate reaction?
I took a deep breath.
It's been a lot of work, a lot of effort. There's been a lot of media attention. You've been helping with that. You've been helping with family and community efforts. Tell us, like, how much it took out of you, sleeplessness, etc. Can you just describe your emotional state and what you've arrived at today now that she's been discovered?
Well, I just want to start by saying that thousands of people came out to help from all walks of life, not just from our community, but from the entire community. People as far as Hamilton, people as far as Mississauga. We had old people, young people, children. Wherever they could poster, wherever they could spread the word, everybody was willing to do what they needed to do to bring a child home, regardless of whether they knew Esther or not.
Have you spoken to the family, her mother, at this point?
No, not yet.
As you continue your investigation, I just wondered, is there a suspect at this point?
No, I don't have any information on that. It's too soon.
But do you have anyone in custody?
No.
Are there any lessons that you've learned that you might apply the next time, or do you feel that everything went sort of by plan?
Well, these things are obviously very fluid and dynamic. I am very proud of the investigative efforts undertaken. In situations like this, we will always take away what we've learned. We will debrief this, and we will assess, are there things that we could do better next time around? But I want to reiterate, we put everything we had into this investigation, and we're just so relieved that we've located her.
Can someone from Showering speak? Because I know that you guys have really mounted a really big community effort. Can you come to the podium and just talk to us?
We're not going to speak right now.
You're not going to tell?
I know it's not from you, but just any word about the reward.
Yeah, the reward was offered by community members, and we had a process in place. I mean, we were alive to the fact that the phone number attached to that reward was different than our tip line. So when that reward was announced, we took steps to ensure that any information coming into that tip line was very quickly relayed to us.
And do you know if it will be going out to anyone, the 25,000?
I'm not going to comment on that.